Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve numerical problem of concave lens and convex lens. So let us start with this question number 1. A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. So according to this question, we will find the object distance and magnification. Now in first step, just write the given value. जो भी क्वेश्चन में given value दिया गया है उसी को हम लोग को लिखना है फर्स्ट स्टेप में. यहाँ focal length 15 centimeter, here focal length given 15 centimeter and image distance given 10 centimeter. So write this value in first step. Given focal length, symbol for focal length f equal to 15 centimeter and image distance symbol is v equal to 10 centimeter. After writing this given value लिखने के बाद में हम लोग को साइन कन्वेंशन रूल अप्लाई करना होगा. अभी ये कॉनकेव लेंस है. इन कॉनकेव लेंस f value always negative, so write here negative. v value always negative, so write here negative. According to this question, we will find u value and magnification. Now we'll apply lens formula or using lens formula. We know lens formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. हमें u का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. अभी 1 by u को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, अगर हम 1 by u को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लाएंगे तो ये माइनस होगा प्लस. माइनस विल चेंज इनटू प्लस. सो राइट हियर 1 by u इक्वल टू 1 by v. यू राइट सेम एज इट इज. अभी 1 by f को हमको राइट साइड में ले जाना होगा. अगर 1 by f राइट साइड इफ आई विल टेक, देन plus 1 by f will change into minus 1 by f. In next step, just write the given value. V value given in question is 10. Using sign convention, we have here minus 10 minus f value minus 15. So write here minus 15. Now in next step, after this step, I'll continue from here. 1 by u write as it is equal to 1 by minus 10. अब ये माइनस माइनस विल चेंज इनटू प्लस. सो राइट हियर प्लस 1 by 15 राइट एज इट इज. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप we will find the LCM of 10 and 15. हमें 10 और 15 का LCM फाइंड करना है. And how to find LCM of 10 and 15? 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. Now do multiply. 5 2 is 10, 10 3 is 30. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Now check the denominator. 10 3 is 30, so 3 1s are 3. Here we have minus sign, right here minus 3 plus 15 2s are 30 and 2 1s are 2. So right here 2. So 1 by u right as it is equal to minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by 30. Now we need the value of u. हमें u का वैल्यू चाहिए. तो अब हम इसको रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड आई विल डू नाउ रेसिप्रोकल. इफ आई विल डू रेसिप्रोकल देन u by 1, but don't write 1 in denominator. And if I will do reciprocal here, then minus 30 by 1. So u value I have got here minus 30. This is object distance. Object distance u equal to minus 30 centimeter. Now I'll find magnification. And we know magnification formula m equal to h dash by h equal to v by u. Now you compare this m with v by u. M equal to v by u. V value here given minus 10, so right here minus 10. And u value we have got minus 30, so right here minus 30. Minus minus cancel, 10 ones are 10 and 10 threes are 30. So magnification m equal to 1 by 3. Now do divide. So 1 is smaller than 3. Use 1.10. 3 threes are 9. Do minus, so 1 point you have used already, so 1 0 I can bring here. 3 threes are 9. So it will repeat. So write the value after doing divide. I have got 0.33. Magnification has no unit, so don't write here unit. This is the magnification of this question. I hope you have understood. Finally, we have completed the answer for this question. Now in question number 2, we have a 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of convex length of focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. In this question, we have to find the nature, position and size of the image. Nature I can find from the v value, and position means v value, and size of the image means s dash value. So in first step, write the given value. First you write the given value from the question. A 2 centimeter tall object means height of the object given 2 centimeter, so write here 2 centimeter. Is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Focal length given 10 centimeter, so write here 10 centimeter. The object from the lens is 15 centimeter, means object distance u value given 15 centimeter. According to question, we will find v value and s dash value, means size of the image. After writing this given value, use the sign convention rule for convex lens. Now in convex lens, h value always positive, f value always positive, and u value always negative. So write here negative sign. Now you apply the lens formula using lens formula. And we know lens formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now place the value. F means 10, so write here 10 equal to 1 by v. V value I will find here. So minus 1 by u. U means minus 15, so write here minus 15. So in next step, 1 by 10 equal to 1 by v, minus minus will change into plus 1 by 15. Bring 1 by 15 left hand side. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15 equal to 1 by v. Now you find the LCM of 10 and 15, and as I know LCM of 10 and 15 is 30, so write here 30. 10 3s are 30, so 3 1s are 3, minus 15 2s are 30, so 2 1s are 2, equal to 1 by v. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 by 30 equal to 1 by V. Now you interchange the value. 1 by V I'll write left hand side, and 1 by 30 I'll write right hand side. Now I need the value of V, so I'll do reciprocal left hand side and right hand side. So V by 1 equal to 30 by 1. So no need to write here denominator. In denominator 1, no need to write. So V value is 30 centimeter. Now I will find size of the image. Size of the image formula we know, M equal to H dash by H equal to V by U. So I need H dash value, so these two value you compare. H dash by H equal to V by U. So in next step, just you keep H dash equal to V by U into H. When you will take H right hand side, it will become multiply. So H dash equal to V value we know 30, so right here 30. U value minus 15, so right here minus 15 into H value 2, so right here 2. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So to multiply 2 twos are 4. So we have here minus sign, so right here minus 4 centimeter. So S dash value is minus 4 centimeter. Now in this question, we have to find nature also, and as I told you before, if we value positive answer, then we say the nature of the image is real. Negative answer, then we say the nature of the image is virtual. Here we have got positive, so right here, therefore, nature of image is real, and we know real images are always inverted. So in case of lens, if we value negative, then we say virtual. If we value positive, then we say real. But here we have got positive, that is why I have written here nature of the image is real and inverted. So finally we have completed the answer for this question number 2. Thank you.